Sometimes, it is enough to feel that others need us to succeed in life. Perhaps the most significant cause of depression and unhappiness is that we think we have nothing to give to others. Communication is about relationships. If you treat your audience with respect, you can communicate better with them. If you don't treat people with respect, chances are they won't treat you with respect either. One day someone entered an airport. He sees a well-dressed businessman shouting at the porter about why the porter does not carry his luggage correctly. As the merchant grew angrier, the porter displayed a calmer and more calculated demeanor. When the businessman left the airport, he asked the porter why he was so patient. "Never mind," Barber said. "He's going to Miami, and I got bearish shipped to Kalamazoo." Those who disrespect others always hurt themselves and produce negative consequences. I believe all human beings deserve to be treated courteously and with respect. Because everyone is valuable, I have concluded that if you take the initiative to respect people, you will help establish effective relationships with them. If you respect yourself and others, be sure that they will appreciate you. People who have achieved excellent results in their lives and respect them always have a sense of unity, and the secret to their success is forming a successful team and cooperating. Without understanding and empathy with people, no success can last. One of the reasons for the fantastic success of the Japanese is that managers and workers eat in the same place and have a friendly relationship with each other. As a result, they solve their shortcomings and problems in a friendly environment. Mentioning this matter reveals that if the relationship between managers and workers is accompanied by respect, a natural environment for real construction will be created. In the research that has been done, it has been determined that many commercial companies see their success as a result of their employees' respectful and generous treatment. They see them as their partners, not as work tools. In dealing with people, we should behave in such a way that they feel we respect them, and if they do not think this way, we should reconsider our behavior. Besides, why not when we can effortlessly impress others with just a few kind and respectful words? Therefore, in our work and personal life, we should have the ethics to treat people with respect, love, and appreciation and let others feel that they are respected by us. Know that the desire to be important in humans is the deepest and most rooted motivation. This motivation is the reason for the difference between humans and animals. This is the motivation that has caused the emergence of civilization. Philosophers have been trying to establish rules for human relations for thousands of years, and the result of their thinking was only about one principle, and this principle is not new, and it is as old as history. Zoroaster taught it to his followers 3,000 years ago. Confucius taught the Chinese 24 centuries ago. Laozi, the founder of the Laozi religion, taught it to his students in the Han Valley. Imam Ali taught the same principle to others. That, ask people what you want for yourself and treat others as you would like them to treat you. You want those around you to behave according to your wishes and respect your desired values. You want to feel important in your little world. You do not want to listen to insincere, worthless flattery, but you crave genuine and sincere admiration. How? What time? The answer is anytime and anywhere. Respecting, considering people important, appreciating, and thanking them is like the oil that polishes the wheels of daily life. By the way, it is also proof of education and decency.